I'm back with another rice cooker recipe, this time with my favorite Filipino dish, chicken adobo. For this rice cooker chicken adobo recipe, we are using Datu Puti, so Filipino vinegar and soy sauce. I'm going to taste the difference for a bit. From what I know, Filipino vinegar is the bomb. Ooh. Ooh, very different from your normal Chinese soy sauce. There's that like interesting earthy note to it. Oh my god, this vinegar is really very floral. I don't know what is it from, but it says here coconut oil emulsion, which I assume is where the floral notes are coming from. If you want to pickle stuff, use Datu Puti. If you want to make chicken adobo, use Datu Puti. You can usually get these from Lucky Plaza, but it's also very available in NTUC right now.